Okay, so as you can see, this is one of the sections of the ductwork, and I will show you really quickly what the other one is. This is the one with some of the arms that actually come off of the. They actually come off of. Let me show you. It is this part right here. It's one that's got these arms on it right there, and you can see that's why it's taking a long time. There's two of these that have to be printed out along with the ones I'm about to show you in the garage. So you've got two of these halves. One obviously goes, let's say this is the front here. So it kind of starts to swoop up here, and you can see like from the other preview how it comes around to here. And then all the wires will come through here. There's a hole that the wires can go through. And then that'll go into the body frame through that hole, which is for the motor, the ESC, all that other good stuff. And we'll test it. So 2 more sections. One more what's on the plate now, the mirror of this, and then we get everything set. Once everything's set, then we'll basically put it over there on the bucket like that one's sitting, and we'll test it with the ductwork on and make sure everything's stable. I've already gone around and tightened all the nuts, put the lock washers on this part. The same will happen here temporarily. What'll happen is I'll have this put together, CA glued here, and then the screws run down to hold it until it sets, so that this top ring is completely solid, so I can back these screws out. And then when I put the ductwork in, I can line up these cuts that are here for the upper bearing arm. So we got to make sure that that lines up. Once that's done, we'll have the full ductwork on, and then we can run screws in through the top. That'll go into nuts that I have here that will be basically siliconed into place after I run the screw through, and then let the silicone set so I can back it out, because there's no way to get in there from the outside to put those bolts in, or the nuts in from the back side. And I don't want it to just be relying on threading into the PETG. That would just be too weak. So that's the plan going forward. We're going to finish up these next sections. It looks like it's probably going to take another 7 hours for that one, and probably another, I'd say 8 to 10, probably 12 for that one, because it's in 2 pieces. So yeah, we're almost there.